Want to post a new picture on X but not sure how to? I'm Emily, and in this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to post a picture on X. Let's get started. First, open the X application. Tap on the plus icon at the bottom right. Now select what would you like to share, like pictures, post, live, or spaces. I'm selecting photos. Now select any picture from your gallery that you want to post. You may add any comments or add location. You can also tap on the three dots at the bottom. Then edit the picture by adding filters, cropping the photo, adding stickers, and so on. After you're satisfied, tap on Save. Then tap on Post at the top right. Tap on Got It, and that is how to post a picture on X. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.